everybody, it's Miss Crystal from the Dickinson County Library, and we have another fun Saturday science project for you. So this week we're going to make some groovy lava lamps inspired by Pete the Cat. So you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need an empty plastic bottle or a glass bottle. This is an empty glass bottle from a lemonade. You'll need some vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. So the first thing we're going to do is you'll empty the water bottle, of course, but it's already emptied. Put it back here. We're going to fill it over halfway with the vegetable oil. There we go. Then we're going to put our water in. We're going to fill it about to here, so about a little bit on the top left. Pour it in the water. And when you pour in the water, if you can see, the vegetable oil floats on top and the water sinks to the bottom. And that's because of the density. So just like our fireworks experiment we did last month, the density of the water versus the vegetable oil is different. The next thing we're going to do is add in some food coloring. I'm going to use green, lime green. It's my favorite color. And we're going to put in 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we've got 10 drops of food coloring in there, and we're going to take out our Alka-Seltzer, and we're going to open it up here. We're going to break it into quarters, so we'll break it in half. Didn't really work that well, but that's okay. And in half again. And we're going to add one piece at a time and see what happens. I'm going to move this back a little bit just so you guys can see it all the way. And we'll drop our Alka-Seltzer in there. And you can see it. It's bubbling up. There we go. All right, so there goes the Alka-Seltzer, of course, is dissolving into the water, creating carbon dioxide bubbles, which will try to escape through the top. You're probably wondering why this happens or what kind of things, the kind of science behind it. So here's some interesting stuff to learn about this experiment. The reason that this works is because of two different scientific principles, the density and then polarity. So density is the measurement, of course, of how dense something is or how compact it is or how much it fits into a certain amount of space. So if you add equal measure of volume of oil and water, you'll find that the water is heavier than the oil, and we figured that out because it sunk to the bottom. And because the water is more dense, it sinks to the bottom. When you put in the Alka-Seltzer, it causes carbon dioxide bubbles that go ahead and mix it, so it goes up to the top. We can put another one in there. And that is, the polarity would be because the oil, so the oil of the lava lamp and the water of the lava lamp are different polarity. So the water, the two hydrogen molecules are polar because they have lopsided electrical charge, and the oil is nonpolar, and that is why water and oil do not mix. And that's our science experiment this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!